HMD manufacturing software for CNC machines has been developed by me with the sole intention to serve the sheet metal fire-rated door manufacturing industries. First, let me introduce my professional achievements in brief. I am a mechanical engineer by formal education. I was working with a USA-based MNC in Mumbai catering petrochemical industries where my responsibilities included software development and AutoCAD design automation and database management automation for various disciplines of engineering department, from 1993 to 1998. In the year 1998, I got the opportunity to serve a leading fire-rated steel door manufacturer in Dammam, Saudi Arabia with the sole responsibility of commissioning the CNC machine from Salvagnini S4, sheet metal punching and shearing, plus P4, sheet metal panel bender, which was laying in the shipyard for 6 months before I joined and took over the responsibility of making it successful. Once my primary goal of commissioning the machine was achieved, I was entrusted with the responsibility of increasing its productivity to maximum with no margin for error, which I successfully accomplished by harnessing the automation possibilities in AutoCAD and the proprietary software of the Salvagnini S4 P4. In 2004 the organization acquired TRUMPF TC 3000 laser punching combined, followed by Kawasaki Robotic Welding, and then Salvagnini Robotic, LVD bending plus Kuka Robot, software system by Salvagnini Italia, panel bender. With a plethora of sophisticated CNC machines from different manufacturers, the challenges we faced were operating them in synchronization and inline production to further optimize production timeline. I provided the solution in the form of a software application integrating Trumpf Combined Process with Roboformer bending, interlinking of S4 shearing punching with Roboformer bending and Kawasaki Robotic Welding with central database. The input for this software was taken from the door schedule and ERP database, thus eliminating the chance of human error. All combined process CNC machine codes were generated with just a single mouse click. Trumpf processed parts were pile stacked as a pyramid in order that the Roboformer was able to pick up the parts with ease for accurate bending. CNC Machine Code, DXF DWG files for blank development, unfold and fold, of sheet metal in C Sharp and Autolisp and bending of the same for the fabrication of hollow metal doors and frames in SSCRGI materials. The software development upgradation, and integration of new machine compatibility was continuous process and was taken care by me for more than 11 years, the software still is in use by them, till date. I served 2 different special purpose steel door manufacturers in Mumbai, during 2008, 2014. In year 2014, I joined another leading fire-rated steel door industry in Dubai, UAE. I was hired for the same function, that is successful execution of Salvagnini S4 P4. In addition to the above discussed software features, I integrated generation of barcode and QR codes which were for part identification and served the purpose of production status update in ERP. The QR codes labels on the door frames helped quick identification to support on-site installation teams. Software demo being presented here was developed for the Dubai-based organization. Detailed audio message for each step shown in video is not provided. I request the viewers, those are interested to know further details, kindly raise your queries in comments. I will revert with appropriate reply. Very soon more videos will be uploaded. We work on the principle that software are limited by 2 factors, imagination of the developer, and the logical validity of the imagination.